bitch. But more importantly, it's your sneeze. When I was a CEO, I had an array of masculine sneezes that asserted dominance. You know, like the explosive shock the room into silence sneeze, the fails, or the draw them in sneeze, you know. Maybe I wouldn't sneeze, because I'm in control. You could even use a sneeze to drive home a point. You can, like, I think the Cubs are going to win all this year. Come on! What do you think?
Tell me more.